5 tips to get promoted even if you're not the top performer. Greetings, everyone. I'm Rohit Mamgain, a strategic leader, and a proud alumnus of the distinguished Bangalore. Today, I'm excited to share with you 5 strategic tips that can help you position yourself for that promotion, regardless of where you currently stand. Tip 1, showcase leadership potential. Much like how athletes demonstrate leadership on and off the field, proactively take on responsibilities, offer solutions, and collaborate effectively. These qualities don't go unnoticed by decision makers. Tip 2, elevate your visibility. Just like sports stars command attention, make your contributions visible across the organization. Share your achievements, insights, and learnings through presentations, reports, or even informal discussions. Tip 3, build strong relationships. Great athletes believe in team spirit, cultivate positive relationships with colleagues, superiors, and cross-functional teams. Networking and collaboration can play a crucial role in your career growth. Tip 4, seek development opportunities. Similar to athletes training to enhance their skills, seek out opportunities for professional development. Conferences, workshops, and additional training can showcase your dedication to growth. Tip 5, consistent performance. Like athletes who consistently give their best, maintain a track record of consistent performance. Show that you're reliable, adaptable, and consistently deliver high-quality work.